Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how to order food on Grubhub in US. So, if you are on Grubhub app, so the interface of the home page will be like this. It will show you the nearby restaurants, show you all the food hubs wherever you're staying based on your location. So there will be two options. You can delivery the food. You can get the delivery of your liking food here, and you can also pick up your favorite food from your favorite restaurant. So both the options are here. Just I'd like to show you how we can order food on Grubhub. So for this video sake, I would be ordering one of the Philly steaks, and let's open. Yes, I would like to order food from this shortest Philly steaks and sandwiches. So going to the menu, I'll be having so many options here: original cheese steak, pepper steak sandwich, steak special sandwich. So I'd like to order steak special sandwich. Just I made it to my cat, and straight away I would like to add some no fried onions, and I would like to have American, and you can also order extra cheese here. I'll be ordering extra veg for 1 USD. Now my bag has consisting 18 USD, and start a new order. Yes, empty bag. The bag contains items from another restaurant, right? Empty bag, and add this one. I'm adding my favorite items to my bag. Now my bag, I can go and see from view order. My view order will be showing the address of where I am getting these orders. You can change your order address here, and it's costing me 18 USD, and inclusive of delivery fee, tax and fees, that will be total 23.95 USD. So select a driver trip also you can add here. You can add 10 to 25%. You can customize also. Add $2 to continue with the delivery, right? So I have added. Then view order. Your order will be add $2 to continue with delivery, right? I have to add $2 initially. After that, I can get my order here wherever I'm asking. It's so simple to order food on Grubhub. Will be delivered in just 25 to 35 minutes to your address. Thank you so much for seeing this video on my channel. Please like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for more such valuable content.